taking the idea of a traditional rocking chair and then adding a lot more motion to it by putting springs up underneath here. So not only do you get the traditional rocking back and forth motion, but you're also going to get a lot of that side to side movement. You got a genuine cowhide underskirt, a turtle rattle, arrowheads, bear claw. Now down here we got, well, they're actually cast resin, revolver Colt single action Army. So this would be like a Winchester Model 92. Now traditionally it wouldn't be an over-under, it would be a side-by-side, but couldn't find one of those. I made some ammunition, some dummy rounds to put in the box, and even some dynamite there. And then the medicine bags with the leather pouches that can be filled with whatever. And then you've got the spoon, the horn spoon, canteen, bear claw, an arrow on the side. Now here, well here, let's start with the back first. You got a coon tail, and then we've got a pheasant right there. You got a traditional canoe bowl with the medicine bag. And then guarding the whole thing. Happy trails.